The burning blaze of tribalism rages within. The fiery embers signal revolution. I am man. I am arrived. All hail the determined. We are the hallowed path. Alpha Dog Affirmations. Unleashing the masculine nature within. A moral mind. A savage heart. A savage heart. I am the axe age of cutting separation. I unite myself to higher discipline. The horn is raised. I answer my fate's beckoning. I destroy the weak nature. I burn away corruption and injustice. These trying times create character. I am a strong man. My way is perfectly prepared. I am sheer might. I am powerful. I am true. I am good. I am the tactic of conviction. The sun-soaked compass of pure freedom navigates. I am holding vertical esteem. I am 1,000 true norths. I rejoice in the legends of heroes past. We great men, one aim, one breath. I am united fire. The stories of our heroes invite us into the ambition. I am ambitious potential. I set the bar high. I avoid mediocrity. The highest or die trying. I am the eternal sacrifice of achievement. My will to power is the extreme. I refuse an average mindset. I emulate the paragons of duty and value. Weak men climb hills. I am a mountain climbing man of determination. I raise the standards of greatness and beauty. I pursue the seemingly impossible ideals of Godhead heroes. I am cultivated from the forest of manhood. I am walking steadfast and head on into the face of the enemy. We great men erecting the sculptures of greatness again. I am driving out the riotous weakness. I am circumventing the status quo. My gods, my principles, my standards live forever. I am resistant to soft perceptions. I celebrate and applaud exclusive honor codes. I am walking away from mass-produced slavery. My mind constructs faith-filled gravity. I strip away my thoughts from the prison of consumerism. I am the mind of freedom. I am the wolf reclaiming my pack. false worship of the temporary crumbles. I am one with the mind of masculine nature. I am man. I am leader. I am taking my position. The fighter is sparked. I am the vehicle of revolution. My active foundation is to slay monsters. I shoulder the Bronze Age. I receive the old spirits, the silhouettes of greatness.